Imagine cruising down the highway in something that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, turns heads at every traffic light, and still gives you the freedom to sleep, cook, and travel wherever you want. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly the excitement surrounding the incredible 2027 camper American Tricycle RV. This futuristic three-wheeled camper is unlike anything we've seen before, combining bold American styling with compact RV convenience in one eye-catching package. At first glance, the design is impossible to ignore. The aggressive front end, sleek aerodynamic body, and massive panoramic windshield make this tricycle RV look more like a concept vehicle than something ready for adventure. Every curve has a purpose, reducing wind resistance while giving it a modern appearance that stands out from traditional campers. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring scenic mountain roads, expect plenty of people stopping to take pictures. Despite its compact size, the real surprise begins when you step inside. The cabin has been cleverly designed to maximize every inch of available space. Comfortable seating quickly transforms into a cozy sleeping area, making overnight trips simple and convenient. Large windows fill the interior with natural light, creating an open feeling that's hard to believe in such a compact vehicle. Storage is another impressive feature. Hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and smart storage solutions make it easy to pack clothes, cooking supplies, camping gear, and all your travel essentials without feeling cramped. It's built for adventurers who want the freedom to travel without towing a large trailer behind them. The small kitchenette is equally impressive. Depending on the configuration, travelers can enjoy a compact sink, mini refrigerator, portable cooking space, and enough room to prepare quick meals while on the road. Instead of searching for restaurants every few hours, you can simply park beside a beautiful lake or forest and cook while enjoying breathtaking views. One of the biggest advantages of the 2027 Camper American Tricycle RV is its efficiency. Thanks to its lightweight construction and aerodynamic design, it promises better fuel economy than traditional motorhomes. That means longer road trips with fewer fuel stops, making weekend adventures and cross-country journeys far more affordable. Handling should also be one of its strongest points. Unlike bulky RVs that require careful maneuvering through tight streets and crowded campgrounds, this three-wheeled camper is expected to offer a much more agile driving experience. Parking becomes easier, narrow roads become less stressful, and exploring hidden destinations becomes far more enjoyable. Technology hasn't been overlooked either. Modern digital displays, advanced navigation, smartphone connectivity, premium audio, and multiple charging ports help keep every journey connected and entertaining. Safety features are expected to include advanced braking systems, stability control, parking assistance, and driver assistance technology that gives travelers greater confidence behind the wheel. Of course, what truly makes this camper special isn't just its features. It's the lifestyle it represents. Imagine waking up beside the ocean, watching the sunrise through your panoramic windshield, enjoying breakfast surrounded by nature, and then simply starting the engine to discover your next destination. That's the freedom this unique RV promises. For solo travelers, couples, digital nomads, or anyone who loves weekend escapes, the 2027 Camper American Tricycle RV could become one of the most exciting alternatives to traditional campers. It combines mobility, practicality, style, and adventure into one unforgettable package that breaks away from the ordinary. Now here's the big question. Would you actually choose this futuristic three-wheeled camper over a conventional RV? Or do you think traditional motorhomes still offer the better experience? Let everyone know your thoughts down in the comments, because I'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing concept and want to see more futuristic RVs, campers, and next-generation adventure vehicles, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next incredible vehicle showcase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.